Changing your phone number on Skyscanner is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Open the Skyscanner app or website. Launch the Skyscanner app on your mobile device or visit the Skyscanner website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your account. Sign into your Skyscanner account using your registered email address and password. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one to change your phone number. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or account section of the app or website. Step 4. Find phone number settings. Look for the section that allows you to edit your personal information, including your phone number. Click on the option to update your contact details. Step 5. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in a designated field. Make sure to save the changes before exiting the settings. After completing these steps, your phone number on Skyscanner will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skyscanner's customer support for assistance.